Hello kids, how are you? Today we will learn how to draw and color fruits. Let's draw an apple. Let's draw cherry. Let's draw grapes. Let's draw an orange. Let's start coloring. We will use brown, green and red color in apple. Green and red colors in cherry. Green and violet color in grapes. Green and orange color in orange. Let's write the names of the fruits. CHERRY, cherry. APPLE, apple. GRAPES, grapes. ORANGE, orange. Thanks for watching.